here's my workout routine for the second week of losing weight and getting healthier. In the second week, the biggest change I made was I just added a set to my body weight routines, exercise routines. So instead of doing 3 sets, I did 4 sets. That was the biggest change that I made. So on Saturday, I did, the 10-pound weight vest push-ups. I did 4 sets instead of 3. I did 12, 11, 10, 9 reps. I did dips. I did 1 set of 5 reps. That took 24 minutes for the push-ups and the dips. So I did the exact same cardio, the amount of sets and everything as the week before, and that took 11 minutes and 30 seconds. So first day, the total workout was 35 minutes, 30 seconds, below 40 minutes, which is what I prefer. Then Sunday, I did pull-ups. I did 4 sets instead of 3 sets. So I did 4.5 reps, 4 reps, 3 reps, and then 2.5 reps on my last attempt. Then I was hanging from the bar with a 10-pound vest, close grip, and then I hung with a wide grip, and then I just hung. After that, I just hung from the bar. I think it's really good to hang from the bar every couple of days. It stretches out. I've even seen this on the internet now. It stretches out your body, stretches out your muscles, stretches everything out. It can help people with back problems. It can help you with wrist problems, shoulder problems, all these types of issues that you may be having. If you hang from a bar on a regular basis, it can help you in a lot of different ways. So I've become a big fan of that. So that workout, that took 18 minutes, and then cardio was the same. So that workout took 34 minutes total. Then on Monday I did abs. I did 4 sets instead of 3, 12, 12, 12, 12 reps. And then I planked for 60 seconds. It wasn't that hard. Like I said, I don't push myself 100%. I probably could have done, if I had to do more, I probably could have done at least 65 seconds. But I stop because I don't want to push myself too hard, especially when I'm just starting out. Total time for that abdominal workout was 15 minutes and 53 seconds. I don't do any cardio on that day. That's considered kind of like my day off out of the 5 days that I exercise. Then on Tuesday, I did shoulders with the 10-pound vest. I did 4 sets instead of 3. I did 12, 11, 10, 9 reps. Took me 15 minutes, 50 seconds for that. Same cardio. That workout took 28 minutes, 12 seconds. Wednesday, I did bodyweight squats. I did 4 sets, 20, 20, 20, 20, 20, for 17 minutes, 55 seconds. Same cardio. That workout took 29 minutes, 15 seconds. Thursday, I did push-ups again. So the 4 days had passed. I go right back into it again. So I did push-ups again on Thursday. 10 pounds with a weight vest, 12, 11, 10, 9 reps. Dips, I did 6 reps instead of 5. That took 24 minutes. Total for the workout was 35 minutes, 30 seconds. And then on Friday, I did pull-ups, 4 sets of pull-ups, 4.5, 4, 3, and then 2.5 reps. And I did my hanging with the vest. That whole thing took 18 minutes. The total, with the cardio was 34 minutes, which is very reasonable. And then, so for the week, for the 7 days, the body weight exercise total time was 2 hours and 13 minutes. So it was 48 minutes more time was spent on week 2 than week 1 on body weight exercises because I increased the sets from 3 to 4. Cardio was 13 minutes increase just because there was an additional day, but I pretty much did the exact same cardio exercises as I did, the first week. And then I lost 0.4 pounds this past week, so it was almost half a pound. So I went from 208 pounds, 0.2, to 207.8. Not a big weight loss. I thought I was going to lose at least 2 pounds this past week, but whatever, these things happen. Hopefully I'll lose more next week. And so the weight loss for the past 2 weeks, the first 2 weeks of me really getting into it again, I lost 3.8 pounds in the 2 weeks. And like I said, hopefully I'll lose at least, 1.5 pounds this coming week. We'll see how it goes. And again, I'm going to show my, what my diet was for this past week as well. If you have any questions, just let me know. Thank you so much for watching. And that's it. Thank you. Have a great week. Bye-bye.
Thank you for watching our video. Don't be a dumbbell like me. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And good luck in your weight loss and fitness journey. Have a great day.